Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to introduce you to our project developed for our Web Technologies course. It is a collaborative effort by me, Sumaya Anjum, and my partner Javeria Tahir under the supervision of Sir Rana Muhammad Ajmal. We are software engineering students at ComSats Lahore. The application is built using React with TypeScript for the front end, ensuring a modern and scalable user interface. For the backend, we used Supabase as our database service, while Cloudinary was integrated for image storage to reduce the load on Supabase and improve performance. This combination of technologies allowed us to create an efficient and responsive web application. Now, moving forward, Javeria will explain our front end to you guys.
Assalamualaikum everyone. So it's Javeria Tahir this side, and now I'm gonna show you guys the front end of the website. So firstly, there's this homepage, and yeah, it consists of some navbar. It consists of some navbar menus, and after these navbar menus, there's this search bar. After that, you can see there's a sign up or login page. Then there's this one wishlist, which only gets open after you log into your account. Okay, so start this by just logging into my account. So I'm gonna enter my Gmail, and then I'm gonna put my password, and yes, I logged into it. Now I can see my wish list, I can see my add to cart or add to back option. Okay, coming back to the home page, there's this hero section. It is basically a moving carousel, and then there's this our bestseller kind of moving carousels right there, which shows you the best sold items of the inventory. And then there's this review section where you can see the kind words which are said by the customers. And then there are these categories, featured categories, which link you towards the which direct you towards the category page. Okay, moving onwards, there is this small little class story. Then there is a shortcut towards the shop page, and then there is at the end above the footer there is this one link. After clicking it, join our family, where it will lead you towards the Lady Crafts Instagram page. Okay, moving onwards, there is this footer. Everything in the footer is completely functional, like and like if I can show you, clicking on the jewelry, it redirected me to the jewelry filter on the our shop page. Okay, so I got a chance to go to our shop page. Now if I can show you the shop page, there is this filter on the left side, where you can see that you can make a filter of categories, or you can make filter of in stock or in stock items. Okay, let's suppose I want filter of trays. I'll get all the trays, and you can also have 2 filters at a time. I placed another filter. I chose another filter of jumki. Okay, moving onwards, there's a search bar where I can search an item. Then on the right side there is a proper sorting kind of filter that we added. And okay, if you click a particular item, it will lead you towards the product card of the page. And if you click the small heart on the picture of the card, then it will add your item into the wish card, into the wish list. Moving onwards, if you okay, so firstly let me just explain the entire system. Okay, so the next page is the categories page. Every link on this page is completely clickable. By clicking it, you it redirects you towards the shop page. And like for instance, if you click the keychain category, it will lead you towards the shop page, and it will insert, and it will show you all the keychains in the inventory. Moving onwards, so there's this custom order page where you can place a custom order. Okay, so let's just place a custom order. Okay, so for instance, I want a resin. Moving onwards, I want a pendant. Then I added some information about the color palette, and I added some information about the glitter and foil. Next step, then I added some additional information, and next step, this gives me the entire detail of my account, and I added my address, and yes, the order is processed and an automated WhatsApp message is generated, which will be sent to the admin. Okay, so coming back to the website, moving onwards, there's this review page where all the verified users can give their reviews. You can see that the images which are inserted are basically the real images which have been which have been ordered by the real-time clients. Okay, so let's suppose I want to give a review. Okay, okay, so I want to upload the image as well. I uploaded the image and I posted a review. As a result, I will be able to just see the review here. Okay, so moving onwards, there's this behind the scenes page where it shows all the handmade efforts and all the efforts which have been put by the admin or the founder of this brand, Lily Crafts. These are basically the embedded YouTube short videos, and it also shows you the journey from ordering to unboxing, and yeah, and it also redirects you to the YouTube page of the admin. Okay, moving onwards, there's this page contact where all the links are clickable, and for instance, I click on YouTube, it will redirect me towards the YouTube page of the admin. Okay, so let's let me just show you the order processing now. Okay, so let's suppose I went to shop, I want to order something. I want to order some mobile charm. I just chose mobile charm as a category from the filter section. Then I chose this item and I place it into the cart and I proceed to checkout. Okay, so these are my details which I have to fulfill, and after fulfilling these details, I will be able. Okay, so I'll see this payment detail where I'll have to first. This was the requirement of the client. I'll have to first pay the entire bill at this number using EasyPesa or JazzCash, some local methods of payment, and then I have to upload the screenshot here. After that, I'll click this send order via WhatsApp button, and then an automated message will be generated, which will also somehow show the screenshot or the details of the screenshot to the admin. And as a result, an email will also be generated to my Lily Crafts official Gmail and to the client as well. And okay, so another very important feature of our website is basically this small button on the extreme left bottom. It is basically a text-to-speech button, which helps the impaired users which cannot read the screen, or who have
Shipping
certain kind of
details.
disabilities. They
Order
can just
summary.
click the button and it turns on.
Home.
And after it, they can read.
Checkout.
They can
Categories.
click on any field on any text and they'll be able to read it. They'll be able to hear it out. At the end, at the very end of the footer, there's this developer section where mine and Samaya's LinkedIn and Gmail are given. in case anybody wants to access us. Okay, so after placing the order, another very important feature is tracking the order or seeing the order history. So yes, after I click onto this login page button, I will see my orders, and I'll be able to see all my orders. Yes, and their history, whether they are ordered, whether they're confirmed, whether they're delivered, everything. I'll be able to see everything. And after that, order tracking, through order tracking, if I able to see the order tracking button, it basically helps me in tracking the order by inserting the, or by giving the order ID into this field, and after giving the order ID, I press track order, and I'll be able to see that where have my order reached, whether it has been confirm, whether it has been delivered, what is the entire status. So yeah, thank you so much. This was all about Frontend, and now onwards Sumaya is going to tell you about the admin panel.
Thank you, Javeria. Now I'm going to walk you guys through the admin panel. Firstly, we have to log into the admin panel using the credentials we have. When we are logged in, we land on our overview page, which has the total amount of money we have earned, the orders made, the customized orders, the total items we have for sale on our website, the community, basically the number of customers we have, and our business health, basically average sales made. Then we have the orders page, in which we can see the customized orders and the standard orders separately. We can filter through the orders. We can see all the orders, the ordered ones, the confirmed orders, and the delivered orders. We can also filter through the orders using the name and emails like this. Then on our product page, we have all the existing products on of our website. We can edit and delete them. To edit, we can edit the name, we can edit the price, we can edit the description, we can edit the category and the availability of our product, and update it on our live store. Then for adding a product to our website, we go to our next page, add new. We have to give the product details, the product titles, its price, its description, the category it belongs to, and our picture. The picture is automatically saved into the Cloudinary. We have to also choose the availability. Is it in stock? Is it a new arrival? And if it is a bestseller, and we launch the product. Then moving on to the next page, we have customer page. It shows all the customers we have so far, and it also includes their information and their history of products. Then moving on to the settings, we can edit the admin username and password and global links, basically links to our social accounts. And lastly, we have our logout session button on our side panel to log out of our session. Thank you.